Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are changing out the cabin air filter on our 2013 Acura ZDX. If it's locked, you can unlock it with your key. You'll see a little divider right here, right in the middle. It's like a shelf. You grab it, you slide it right out. There's two pins, one right here, one right here. Push these two pins, one right here and one over here, and then you pull it out like that. And then you see your cabin air filter. We're gonna set it down right here and we're gonna switch it out with a new one. So here's our new one. And you wanna pay attention to the airflow. You see how it shows downwards? And then you look on this, and it says downwards. So open this. So airflow down, we're gonna go like that. I don't know why it's opposite. It needs to go like this. I think they printed it wrong. It has to go like that, because you don't want the edge. I'll show you what I mean. Yeah, I don't think the airflow can go that way that they want us to go. So you have this lip right here, and this lip needs to go over this edge. There's a little lip right here, and slides over it like that. And that's how it makes an airtight seal. So if you flip it upside down, it's not gonna fit right because this isn't going to squeeze in there correctly. So we're gonna put it upside down. I don't think it'll make too much difference. It's just a filter. Go ahead and take this and reinsert it back in. Do this, and make sure it clicks in place. And you slide the shelf back in. And there you have it. Cabin air filter installed. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions.